Widely considered the most catastrophic natural disaster to date, Hurricane Katrina struck the greater New Orleans area on Monday, August 29, 2005. The hurricane would forever change the lives of thousands of Gulf Coast residents. A Category 3 hurricane, Katrina brought 120 miles per hour winds, 8 to 10 inches of rain, and a recorded tide increase of over 14 feet. Since Katrina, the recovery process in New Orleans has been wrought with hardships and challenges. In the early days of recovering after the storm, the recovery and rescue missions were a difficult task because of the extreme flooding and the inability to access much of the city. Frederick Schwartz was the architect selected by the citizens of New Orleans and the New Orleans City Planning Commission to replan 1/3 of the city for 40% of its population. He said, "The planning of cities in the face of disaster, natural and political, must reach beyond the band-aid of short-term recovery. Disaster offers a unique opportunity to rethink the planning and politics of our metro-regional areas. It is a chance to redefine our cities, to reassert values of environmental care and social justice, of community building, and especially of helping the poor with programs for quality, affordable, and sustainable housing." Many organizations have helped rebuild by volunteering their time to build houses to aid in the recovery. It was estimated in 2006 by the RAND Research and Development Corporation that in 2008, the population of New Orleans wouldn't even be half what it was before the storm hit. However, in as early as 2007, 2/3 of the population was back to what it was before Katrina. The biggest problem for the rebuilding and repopulation was the flooded areas. The city had no comprehensive plan. Homeowners were forced to live in the upper stories of their homes or move into a hotel. Although we are still rebuilding today, New Orleans is almost back to the population it was before Katrina hit. It has 92% of its population back that it had before the storm. The amount of money that has been spent on rebuilding is the absurd amount of $127 billion. The majority of this money went to building houses and schools, repairing damaged infrastructure, providing victims with places to live, and to rebuild the damaged levees. New Orleans is almost restored to the city it once was before Katrina hit.